Welcome to the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Me online. I don't need to physically be there to teach and also to do my presentations. Osha and other countries in here, they cut expenditure by using Teams and other online communication platforms. Now, and 3D na e wo hono. So you see even a very big screener, as if senipanu ejina wanim. Unless it has to do with even signing of documentation. Enu kwampo yi enu free on my signing of documentation kwampo ye wo medium of sending those things for you to be signed. So if
almost a Sunday or you the fire email kwama wa
and now on create a way Microsoft weather one ye be on my way to me assign now was sending na bibia den echo. So if indeed the president of the Republic of Ghana wants to cut expenditure, then on adopting digital means of dealing with the international world. The last one I make come once a year. Nurses, not only nurses, but I buy eduma yefwa ye you already. So oko the way civil service law now, under no circumstance can you sack anyone unless you provide a justified reason. Now, what is the justified reason for sacking one? Yeah, you want. Now, all people are Mahama so on important fear. When we say one to Abaman and also one and to Abaman. Even apart from that, is he dividing the country based on political line or what? But one edge how to govern because here in 2028, so yabeba. So say yaba. Na say yanso yakas okay. Onwa ya employ one join Mahama apprentice nyina no. They should also go and sit at home. What are we turning the country to? Which is very bad. And the Ghanaians I want to if you want Antwaba. The youth I want kwato abanso won say okay and yentumi ntodokon yentumi nyewe anase sebe MPP obi hu ehinti no. Let's vote against NPP. Me, I have not been sacked. I can never be sacked. I do work in Ghana. I do work here. And the baby I'm to me then echo. But who are what if I will say won't go to Aba? NPP we are watching what to about no. Now the government or the president is saying that go home. But Sanya okay, the various bodies should team up. And then go to court. That is only if the government will not have any influence in the court process. Already one pushes say Jakpa will say Kappa will say only one for a chile abepacho. They will ombeya they no one sign then abepacho. But that make an assembly say mostly one of the way to test the popularity of a policy and it's obesha that pre there to media. Now what share the reaction of Nyaman Fobeka if you want to test how popular your incoming policy will be one of the ways no. And say what the back that's a man for and can watch him there. It means that the people will absorb that policy. They are trying to test that if one way a betuma, how will Ghanaians take it? Say Ghana for and can watch him there, then let's go by it. Say yes, Sadia, any one who song. Then when yes, Sana is something they have planned or they are intent to do it there. The various organizations in the civil service, they should liaise with their leaders. Adibakwe now all the trade union leaders in India they have turned into politicians, and then they are in the hands of NDC government because. Time na NDC opposition one to the various organization leaders and one Emma Winska. Now these people cannot even fight back for their members. So when they are doing their internal election, they should change everyone at the top and then bring new people on board so that they can fight against the government on their behalf. Medasiminia.
Oh, the voice. Fashine. Nyame adom na also want to say. The Nyame say. And you made the Mecca Saka away Ashanti regional minister no. Ne nsɛm na ɔte kromo na ɔdi no. On kai ho say he is not the first to be say obe take his position, you know. Yes. Na me trust ye ma me mo Ashanti region no so wonim na when nyai sankwase asem na wo di no Ashanti region. Our mothers will come, our mothers, they will come after him. And then no ne kasa basa. Oba vetin sa wo de mampo hima di wechi. Na mampo hima akobetimi agina ye kan say nan Agrekins man henenim akas. Even ye Agrekins man na bu adru anim mpokra kasa asem no. Mampo hima ntumi nkasa. And I want to mean kasa nchire yeranso. And onye very, very careful. Na Kumasi and as Ashanti region doesn't belong to him. Ashanti region enya ne dia. And onye careful pam. So a person who is successful in Ashanti, being a regional minister in Ashanti region, onye very, very careful. Because the arrogance, you know, is too much. Well, you're too arrogant. It's too much. Okasa anyhow. Okasa anyhow. Since I appointed no any oba veti wiye ena Simon or say men say ni madwuma ena Simon or say men say KMA ena wa niema ye basa ena yi papa we asokwa MP your friend is the Olusi Mere Finidis a man we ojo Jovia or Parliament Asoko Katie Hamo Lucy in his seat all because when to me and see toilet. Can you imagine? Asoko for be catch and say Katie am omuhia toilet. Asoko for be catch and omuhia toilet. Onye very careful. Now onim Ashanti radio onim ye. Onim what we are capable of. So person a turn of office successful for him. Now onya in a smooth way umbrella ho ase. Now ondru baby Ashanti region so chair or no gina on or ti on all this answer no. How can you say obe bio ano catch Agrekins man say even otum for crabek or two for crime to me and fan anum be mu and also otum for crab and to me nya manim be a regional representative for Ashanti region. Oh yeah, why is our guy no yeah why? Oh yeah, very careful. The same no so or pese or ti enka or better enka pa when you're very, very careful. Nebi mo abako Patricia Pieje mu nyina o mo abako omo be omo amema omo hu omo amema omo hu so na ye Ashanti region no and then Kumasi precisely ye ahemfo nyemfo mu ndi agro. And because all this while some guys be on before right to election guys be TV up here so need TV station the radio stations and TV stations did you too for them did you Asante Mayatem ni nyina NDC fo ya the deep papaya the asante for the biari have been problem Ghana for asante for any more problem. And ama yes asante for say the mo Ghana amamo. Mumbeye mayenhwe also buy and say hu na oba bedi no Ashanti region honum onye very careful nyasa say yes sorry ne so a ono onya ne hu twabre kra onye comfortable with the position na wenya no. And then back to nurses no this issue about belt in this and you see nurses na nkasa ye enemies of our own Ghanaian nurses because you can say mammy matter say me say me platform ya me also GRNM for platform lejokuku for me also no me also somebody better to say the very so I think say bear cost strike about sa appointment na revoking no me sure say bear cost strike so I think so more train kakra
train or more more up to Monday. If Oman for better response be amba, there will be a meeting on Wednesday and the action will start from
okay. More initial the PDF on the so me time on go through but what I read on top is we going on a strike. So later I may read the details in the palm. Omo who say chief of staff ne John Maham omo say enkofo nana do fa omo no.
I am part of the executives. We are aware of it.
Okay. Chief of staff ne John Maham omo hunu say enkofo na ye ma omo ye bi portal na omo register ye no. Omunye NPP for nkwa they are Ghanaians and even if they are NPP cra omunye Ghana for ya be portal ma entire register bibia also say if I don't know if said their appointment letter are out or whatever. Yes, the appointment letter must be out before they can work. Next so many appointment letters now almost status. Oh, now Becca say ye fa omo before ye fa omo December nti omo because no portal no omo be cra before say ye December na ye ba beto aba. Yes. Omo be the dada. And that time on a more say December na do na the 10 on office never ended that bay. Doesn't he have the right to employ anyone? And then I'm not chroma saying this if I didn't say no sabi nkwasa semon kwa ojo kra onti ase ojo wa onti ase enti we na mo revoke wo mo wen enti mo de mo ba be fa mo ba be be portal foforo aba be fa nurses foforo ana. So this time I said GRNM for Oman sorry about this issue. No man nyais a political way na any partisan way na omo beye de yes, you be sorry o mo so pa. You be sorry o